Hello, wonderful English learners. It's Sophia from the English with Sophia YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to share with you my experience of my first day at an American school. This is a big moment for many students who come to study in the United States. Let's explore this exciting day together. Preparing for the first day. The night before my first day, I was very excited and a little nervous. Here's how I got ready. 1. I chose my clothes. I picked a comfortable pair of jeans. I chose a nice clean shirt. I made sure my shoes were comfortable for walking. 2. I packed my backpack. I put in some notebooks and pens. I included a small dictionary to help with new words. I packed a healthy snack and a water bottle. 3. I went to bed early. It's important to get enough sleep before a big day. I set my alarm clock for 6:30 a.m., the morning of the first day. On the morning of my first day, I woke up early. 1. I ate a good breakfast. I had some cereal with milk. I ate a banana for extra energy. I drank a glass of orange juice. 2. I double-checked my backpack. I made sure I had everything I needed. I put in a small map of the school that I received earlier. 3. I left the house. My host family drove me to school. We left early to make sure we wouldn't be late. Arriving at the school. When we got to the school, I was amazed. 1. The school building. It was much bigger than I expected. There were many students going inside. I saw the American flag flying in front of the school. 2. Entering the school. I said goodbye to my host family. I took a deep breath and walked through the main doors. There were signs pointing to the main office. The main office. My first stop was the main office. 1. Meeting the staff. The school secretary greeted me with a smile. She asked for my name and checked her computer. 2. Getting my schedule. The secretary gave me my class schedule. She explained how to read it and find my classrooms. 3. Meeting my guide. A student volunteer came to show me around the school. Her name was Emily, and she was very friendly. Tour of the school. Emily gave me a tour of the school. 1. The lockers. She showed me how to use the school lockers. I put some of my books in my assigned locker. 2. The cafeteria. We walked through the big room where students eat lunch. Emily explained how the lunch system works. 3. The library. We visited the school library. It was full of books and computers for students to use. 4. The gym. We passed by the gymnasium where sports classes are held. Emily told me about some of the school's sports teams. My first class. After the tour, it was time for my first class. 1. Finding the classroom. I looked at my schedule to find the room number. Emily helped me find the right room. 2. Meeting the teacher. I introduced myself to the teacher, Mr. Johnson. He welcomed me and showed me to an empty seat. 3. Starting the lesson. The class was English literature. Mr. Johnson started by taking attendance. Then he began talking about a book the class was reading. Lunchtime. At noon, it was time for lunch. 1. Going to the cafeteria. I followed other students to the cafeteria. There were long lines of students waiting to get food. 2. Choosing my lunch. I picked up a tray and looked at the food options. I chose a sandwich, an apple, and a carton of milk. 3. Finding a place to sit. I looked around for an empty seat. Emily waved to me and invited me to sit with her and her friends. Afternoon classes. After lunch, I had more classes. 1. Math class. The teacher, Ms. Garcia, was very nice. We worked on some algebra problems. 2. Science class. In the science lab, we did a simple experiment. I worked with a partner, which helped me make a new friend. 3. History class. We learned about early American history. The teacher used a lot of pictures and maps, which helped me understand. End of the school day. Before I knew it, it was the end of the school day. 1. Last bell. A loud bell rang to signal the end of classes. Students started packing up their things. 2. Saying goodbye. I thanked Emily for her help during the day. I said goodbye to some of the new friends I made. 3. Going home. I went back to my locker to get my things. I walked outside where my host family was waiting to pick me up. Reflection on my first day. On the way home, I thought about my day. 1. New experiences. I learned a lot about how American schools work. I met many new people and made some friends. 2. Challenges. Sometimes it was hard to understand everything in class. Finding my way around the school was tricky at first. 3. Positive feelings. Everyone was very friendly and helpful. I felt excited about going back to school the next day. Tips for other new students. Based on my experience, here are some tips for other new students. 1. Be prepared. Pack your bag the night before. Get a good night's sleep. 2. Ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you're lost or confused. Teachers and students are usually happy to help. 3. Be friendly. Smile and introduce yourself to people. Try to remember names when you meet new people. 4. Stay positive. It's normal to feel nervous or confused at first. Remember that things will get easier with time. Conclusion. My first day at an American school was full of new experiences. It was exciting, sometimes challenging, but overall very positive. Remember, every new student feels nervous on their first day. The important thing is to stay open to new experiences and ready to learn. I hope sharing my experience helps you feel more prepared for your first day at a new school, whether it's in America or anywhere else. Remember, every day is a chance to learn something new, not just about school subjects, but also about yourself and others. Keep practicing your English and don't be afraid to use it, even if you make mistakes. That's how we learn and improve. Until next time, this is Sophia from English with Sophia, saying goodbye and good luck on your school adventures. Important vocabulary for A1 learners. Here are some keywords from this lesson that are great for A1 English learners. 1. School, noun. A place where children go to learn. 2. Teacher, noun. A person who helps students learn. 3. Student noun. A person who is learning at a school. 4. Classroom, noun. A room where lessons happen in a school. 5. Schedule, noun. A plan that shows the times of classes. 6. Lunch, noun. The meal eaten in the middle of the day. 7. Friend, noun. A person you like and enjoy spending time with. 8. Backpack, noun. A bag carried on your back to hold school things. 9. Book, noun. Something you read to learn or for fun. 10. Homework, noun. School work that students do at home. 11. Class, noun. A group of students learning together. 12. Learn, verb. To gain knowledge or a new skill. 13. Study, verb. To spend time learning about something. 14. Ask, verb. To say something to get an answer or help. 15. Understand, verb. To know the meaning of something. Remember to practice these words when talking about school and your daily routine. Good luck with your English learning journey.